Top 5 kitchen gadgets for baking enthusiasts. First up, you're striving to bake like a PRO, but your arm's wearing out. Meet the Okma Stand Mixer, a powerhouse with 660 watts, bringing effortless mixing magic. Imagine whipping up perfect breads and pastries without breaking a sweat. It's your trusty sidekick, turning kitchen chaos into serene harmony with over 9,000 delighted reviews. Next, precise measurements are key to winning recipes, yet your old scale lets you down. Enter the Atexity Digital Kitchen Scale, sleek and compact, with a backlit LCD. It demands accuracy. Visualize leveling up your baking precision, ensuring every cake is a masterpiece. More than 30,000 users trust this little kitchen hero. Then, tired of grease and sticking frustration when baking? Transform your experience with Amazon Basics silicone baking mats. Feel the ease as cookies slide off non-stick surfaces, baking evenly without waste. Reuse them again and again, saving parchment and smiles. Your bakeware essentials just became eco-friendly besties. Another one? Yearning for consistency in your doughs? The adjustable rolling pin with thickness rings delivers spot-on thickness every time. And picture perfectly uniform cookies and pie crusts. No more wild guesswork. Embrace ease and professionalism. This stainless beauty is your trusty partner in delicious precision. To wrap it up, you've baked a beautiful batch. Now what? Enter the Harloon Cooling Rack Set. Imagine 6 sturdy non-stick surfaces, keeping your creations airy and crisp. No more soggy bottoms. These racks are your go-to for beautiful, cool, evenly baked goodies, ready for any delicious adventure. All links are in the description. Tap like to save this list.